welcome back to my channel FunX Creations. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can DIY this mini gas stove. So for this you'll need cardboard, paints, glue and craft wire. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this card paper and it's a silver shiny card paper, and over here I've done the markings so you can see that. Now after this, the markings, the lines which I've already drawn, I'll just take the scale and fold them like this on both of the sides. So now as you can see, I've folded the sides over here. And now the markings which are inside, I'll just cut it off like this. So as you can see, this will be kind of a frame for the stove. After that, I've taken another silver card paper and I've done the markings over here also. This will be sitting inside the cardboard piece earlier. So now I'll just cut these shapes out. As you can see, from the middle also I'll just cut this shape. You can also cut an oval shape, and then this 2 circles on each of the sides. So after that, I'll just attach that on this. So yeah, as you can see, once it's done, it's looking something like this. Then I'll just take another piece of silver card paper and I'll just attach it in the middle. So as you can see, it's looking like this. After this, these are 2 of the cardboards which I've already taken, and this will be the marking and the size. So after that, I'll just take it and stick it on both of the corners. So from one side, it will be a bit slanting, because usually stoves are like that. And then on the second side also, I'll just repeat the same procedure. Now it's done. Now I'll just take another silver card paper of the same measurements and I'll just stick it on top of the cardboard to cover it. Likewise, I'll just do on both of the sides. Now after that, I'll just take another cardboard strip and I'll just take a normal paint brush and I'll just roll it like this. So this will be also of 2 cm, and one will be a little bit small and one will be a little bit large. So as you can see, now I'm just covering it with golden foil, aluminium foil. And I'm using the tweezers to insert a hole inside it. So this will be covered like this. So as you can see, one is small and one is big. After that, this is a cardboard cutout, a small triangle, and I'll just paint it completely black. After that, I'll just stick it in the middle of the stove, starting of the stove. After that, I'll just take another cardboard strip and paint it black, and then I'll just stick it over here in the middle. After that, the golden cutout which I've already taken, I'll just stick it on both of the circles inside the cardboard. So as you can see, it's looking like this. Now I've taken this cardboard circle rings, and you can just take the measurement according to it and then stick the tiny pieces of cardboard strips. You can also use 6 pieces or 4 pieces. Over here I'm just going with 4. And I'll just repeat it on both of the sides. So as you can see, it's looking something like this. Now we'll just start painting it in a dark shade of black. So once both the cutouts are painted black, I'll just start sticking them. Yeah, so as you can see, it's done. Now I've taken these 2 cardboard circles tiny circles and I'll just make a hole inside it and then stick a craft wire, and after that I'll just insert it over here on both of the sides. And then to secure this, I'm just taking a white pearl bead and I'll just attach it. Make sure you don't stick the wire, otherwise it will not be able to move. And after that I'll just take another piece of small cardboard stripe and I'll just stick that in the middle. So this will be the marker. As you can see, it's easily moving and not coming out also because of the pearl beads. Now I'll just start painting this also black. So as you can see, the painting is completed now. Now for the base, I'll just take another white cardboard and I'll just make 4 holes on each of the sides. After this, I've taken the plastic straw and made some tiny pieces of it, and I'll just stick that on 4 of the other sides. So this will be the stove stand. If you don't have a plastic straw, you can also use paper foiling. Now I'll just stick that on the below surface of the stove like this. So as you can see, the stove is now covered from the bottom also. Now I'll just make a hole on this side and I'll just insert a straw covered with aluminium foil, silver aluminium foil, and then this is a wire. You can also use any old charger wire or headphone wire, and I've just attached that. Now I'll just do the markings for the gas stove knob. So I'll just do some highlighting on the knob and then write my channel name. You can also write any brand name, it's your choice. So as you can see, the knobs are easily moving. And this is the fry pan which I've already made in one of my videos. If you don't know how to make this, I'll just mention the link in the description box below. So as you can see, this is the completed look of my gas stove, and it was quite easy. So as you can see, this is now completed. Now you can decorate it anywhere with any kind of utensils. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye.